examination. So this is a document which I'll be sharing with you all also. So the PL-300, also known as Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst, is an associate level certification that validates your ability to deliver actionable insight using Power BI, where the various features which you should know is how to prepare the data, how to create a model of the given data, how to visualize and represent the data in the form of reports, and how to analyze the data. So basically it is earlier known as DA300 examination, which is now termed as PL300 examination. So the core skill which is measured during this examination is, first is prepare the data, second is model the data, third is visualize and analyze the data, and fourth is manage and secure the assets. So if we look at the weightage out of which the examination will be coming is 25 to 30% weightage they have given to understand that whether the candidate is able to prepare the data or not. And within this what all comes, how to connect with various data sources which are available in Power BI, how to clean and transform the data with the help of one of the tool which is or component of Power BI, which is Power Query. So within this we learn case study 4, out of which 25 to 30% questions comes. Second is model the data. So in this you will learn how to design various data models, and while designing a data model, what we will do to define the relationship among different tables, and in case somewhere you have to create some calculation using DAX, how you will be doing that. So we did this part in case study 4, the case study 3, right, and some part of DAX we did in case study 1, 2, 3. In all the case studies we did some part of how to use DAX function. Our next case study will be based on DAX only. Next part is visualize and analyze the data. So in this you should know how to create interactive report, which you already learned in case study 1, 2. In 3 I have given you the work to, or you can say I have given you task to make different reports. Here we learned how to make it interactive using slicers, using buttons, and how to just edit the interaction also, highlight as well as filter and none, 3 type of interaction we learned. Next is use of AI visuals. So we will soon learn how to use AI visuals, till date we haven't learned. How to identify pattern and trends. So this we did in while doing case study 3 only, and I have given you certain example which enable you to understand how to identify the pattern and trends. Fourth is manage and secure assets. So out of this particular skill, 15 to 20% questions will be coming. Herein you will be learning how to manage the workspaces, how to use the data set, how to implement row level security. So this we will be learning when we do Power BI service. Now these are the free resources which are available to prepare. One is learning path. This is the path which is given, from following which you can just learn all the exam topics out of all the 4 skills they measure. Then they give you free practice test also. Then there are so many number of examination readiness videos which are available. These are the links. I have shared one YouTube link also which is having 100 plus video sessions which just let you, or you can say help you to practice for this examination. There are so many number of hands-on labs also, and these exercises are available in GitHub also. Today in the next video we will see that how we will be using these all functionalities, and how we will be going to solve the hands-on labs which are given in PL300 Learn portal without installing any software. Whereas this consists of all the links also, so I just suggest you to click on link and go through that. If we talk about exam details as of February 26, because in January only some changes are being made by the Microsoft team for PL300, which is mentioned in its study guide also. So what is the recent format? It says ki 40 to 60 questions will be coming, and the pattern will be, few questions will be multiple choice questions, few will be drag and drop, wherein you have to drag and drop at the right position and right order some syntax or the output which we expect from the problem statement. One of the case study will be given over there, out of which certain questions will be there which you have to solve. The total duration of examination is 100 minutes. The marks which you have to secure to pass is 700 out of 1000, and the cost which you have to pay to register for this examination is 4800. The certification is valid for 12 months. After 12 months, you have to again renew it. And what is the best part? NDIM is planning to give BI certification to all the students, and the criteria is if the student has scored 75% and above marks in semester 1 plus 75% and above marks in semester 2 plus having Microsoft Excel Associate as well as Excel Expert certification, plus if you are complying all these conditions, then additionally you should have PL-300 certification also. And this you have to do within the month of, by the end of March, so that before end term you should have this certification. So with this, all the best for today.